Does your shower start warm and then turn cold? Or does it never get hot at all? That timing tells you whether you're dealing with a supply problem or a mixing problem. If the water never gets hot, even right at the start, check another hot water fixture in the house first. If that's also cold, the issue is likely the water heater itself, not the shower. Check whether the pilot light is out on a gas heater, or whether the breaker has tripped on an electric one. A heater that's aged or undersized for the household can also struggle to keep up with demand. If other fixtures run hot but the shower doesn't, the problem is likely inside the shower valve. Many showers use a pressure balancing or thermostatic cartridge that blends hot and cold water. If that cartridge is worn, stuck, or installed incorrectly, it can default toward cold water as a safety measure. Turn off the water supply, remove the valve handle, and inspect the cartridge for mineral buildup or damage. Replacing it with the exact model for your valve brand usually restores proper mixing. If the water starts hot and turns cold partway through your shower, this is usually a hot water supply issue, not the valve. A water heater that's too small for your household, sediment buildup inside an older tank, or a failing heating element can all cause hot water to run out mid-shower. Draining and flushing sediment from the tank, or having the heating element tested, often resolves this. Also check whether the cold water is unusually strong compared to hot. A weak hot supply relative to cold can trigger anti-scald valves to favor cold water, masking a heating issue as a mixing issue. Test at different times of day, since demand from other fixtures or appliances can affect hot water availability temporarily. If this helped you figure out which side is failing, comment whether your water starts cold or turns cold partway through.